What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? How are we doing? Are we watching Doge Moon right now? Alex O Crypto, how's it all going? What's up, Otter Gang? Shout out to you guys. Bully Barry says, I haven't traded much the last 2 weeks. Made a bad decision and needed a little break to get my head back into it. You know what? It's so important that we always have a break. Now, when we have some missed trades, we are definitely need to cool off. Don't revenge trade. Don't make decisions based in anger, but also it's very good to reset. I think it's very important. I tend to take a break at least every couple weeks. Step away from the charts. I still come to the charts to refresh them for you guys, but I don't trade them. Now, for me, that is very important. 2 lives in 1 day. Nick Musgrave, what's up, my man? How you doing? Dave Digital, Space Invader, we're up bright and early. Keeping Mrs. Otter up. It is 4:30 in the morning in Australia. I got my work hoodie on. We're ready to go to work. But first of all, we got to go to work for you guys. Doge is going to the moon. Jake's in the chat. What's up? Jake says he's going to go and bomb. He's going to go and photobomb with Gareth Soloway, who's trading down the corner. So we're waiting for Jake to get the Otter Gang into Gareth Soloway's area. How are we all doing? Shout out to every single one. TRD Farmer, Space Invader, Nick Musgrave, Jake, Bully Barry. Man, you guys are great. Thank you so much for being here. We get up early. We get you guys the goods. I mean, let's get away from Doge for a second right now. And let's make sure that we're checking up on our good old friend, the corn, okay? And how is the corn doing? How is it doing? Well, we were talking about this weekly yesterday and how it's flattened out on the stochastics and how it doesn't look very good. It is taking a couple more cracks of the egg up at 30K. And if it remains to keep attacking here, it will break through easier, okay? The more taps, the more cracks in the egg, the easier for it to break. Always remember, but it is looking like it wants to cool off and possibly retrace and bounce, okay? And where is that level we talked about? This is at 25.2. Wow, that's a very straight line for 4:30 in the morning. I'll tell you that much. Don't forget to drop a like for the straight line at 4:30 in the morning. Holy smoke, subscribe if you haven't already. Geez, we're going to have to trade for Jake's bail. Okay, so I wanted to shout out some people. We got some winners yesterday. Holy smokes. Look, Jake's got 33%. We got J-Rod with 162%. 128 for the fallen one. 32 here. And guess what? Yours truly yourself. 174. We hanging out. Now, it's so good to see you guys all win LFG. Amazing. Good work, everybody. Remember to protect that capital. Practice good risk management. Join us in our free Discord if you haven't already. We always have fun, and we're so happy to see you guys. Brooke Frolich. Be careful. We have the Lady Otter Sheriff in the chat, so let's behave ourselves. Hello, Otter dudes. Thank you so much for being here, Brooke. Appreciate your community, brother. It will come. Geez, we're going to have... Yeah, you guys are amazing. So, flipping through this stuff, we were here last night. So, this is going to be a little bit of a repeat. We're getting used to this 4:30 time. We got coffee. We're trying to get you these live streams. We're trying to grow the community. So, we're going to continue on our way here, and we look at this little red dot we got on the 4-day here that could possibly bring us down. Okay, so we're watching this, and this bear divs, I believe, we're looking for confirmation. We're looking for the red dot on these, and we're flipping through. Oh, what is that, my friends? My friends, ladies and gentlemen, there is a red dot. There's a red dot on the 2-day. So let's watch this. This could bring us down, okay? This is definitely bearish. We have some time, though, in order for this to print. It's going to take a day and 6 hours. As you can see, when you look to the right, a day and 6 hours, so nothing yet. But this could mean that we're going to curl down in the next couple days. Okay, so definitely be watching that. We can see on the daily too, we have the red dot confirmation that could bring us down. We have crawled down quite a bit, right? So we came up last night quite aggressively. Okay, we finished the stream and then all of a sudden Bitcoin decided to go boom. Okay, because we got in at this wick here yesterday. We rode this all the way down, took profits. Very nice. And we were looking to add to the trade here, and it just kept going up. Got stopped out in profit, and guess what? It came up, and now it's shot down. Now it's coming up again. So very mixed signals. I suggest that you're in and out real quick, like a good boy scout, as they say, and not over trading here. Try to pay yourselves early. Get in, pay yourselves, and then maybe let the rest of the trade ride in order to build confidence, because we are having multiple knocks on the door, okay? So when looking at this, all I can see is that we have this daily bear div alongside with a 2-day bear div. So we got to be very careful. Red dot has printed and curled over. As we work through these time frames, we can definitely see that this is trying to knock on the door, just like the title. It is knocking multiple times and trying its best to get above here, right? It has not yet succeeded, but the more times it does try to attempt here, the easier it will be. All it needs, pardon me, is some volume. Okay, so we got to turn up the volume, and what do we got here? Volume is not giving us much of an idea yet, but look, we've cooled down over the weekend. Now we're starting to pick back up, so anything is possible coming up this week. Now, I do believe that we do have news on Friday. I think it's something about jobs. I was meant to check for you guys. I will check tonight when I get home from work and make sure to check so we are informed. But I believe it's on Friday. We have a report, okay? We were watching the half day, the 12-hour as well in order to get confluence for all this. So for me right now, I'm being patient. I'm looking for a trade at the top, a swing high failure, right, for it to try and crack up. Now these trades are hard to catch. Remember, you got to have a little bit of confidence, a little bit of fervor in order to catch these if we do come up and attempt at this 29K again, okay? So I'll be looking for a swing failure pattern up to the top with some nice, beautiful, bearish divergence on the shorter term time frames in order to drop us down. That's something I'm definitely looking for. Otherwise, I'm looking for us to continue downwards over time, because it is quite a grind right now. You can see it is a grind, and you can also see too how long it took over here to our left, how long it actually took us to grind slowly but surely down for that retracement, okay? So look for something maybe similar to this, where we do grind slowly over time rather than what we have recently with the uptrends, which are just giant spikes, okay? So it looks like it's more of a grind because the bulls are very much in control recently, so look for a grind to the downside. We'll be looking for the swing failure pattern and then a continuation. But for me to remain bullish and to remain in this uptrend, we have to hold this area here, which is around 26.8, okay? This 26.8 is very crucial in order to keep us up. 26.6, 26.8. Around here, we want to make sure that the bottom of this range, we are taking very much a precautionary attempt because we could be pumping here in some sort of flag. You can see the flag. We are working our way in the flag, and these flags generally go to the upside, okay? So something to be very, very cautious about. Dave Digital saying the Sphinx in the chat. Thank you so much, Dave. Be kind, my friend. Be kind. I like to see you guys all winning and being nice. It's beautiful. We're looking for this money flow to come out. Now, where's the money flow on the daily? It has crossed over. VWAP is underneath the 0 line. Okay, this is bearish, bearish, bearish. But as we get into the middle term time frames, the money flow has actually crossed over into the green. If we zoom in here, we can see, and we have a very steep curvature on the VWAP as we flip through here, and we can see that stochastic is actually starting to curl up as well. So look for an attempt back up currently. We'll have to be patient to look to trade this, okay? So as we get into these shorter term time frames, the 4 hour in the immediate future, this to me right now is looking like a slight downtrend, okay? So this is looking like this, and we're looking at these to hold here. So this is kind of what I'm seeing here. Are we going to continue this downtrend, or can we crack back up and attempt back at this 28.8 area, okay? This 28.8 area is going to be very key level of resistance coming to the upside. Make sure to smash those like buttons. Subscribe if you haven't already. I mean, we're getting up at 4:30 in the morning for you guys, going to work, coming back, sharing the charts, trying to help you guys. So make sure to smash the like button. Trying to bring the energy even at 4:30 in the morning. We got the good old coffee beans. We're ready to go. And I hope you guys are too. Now, what is the mindset of this area right here? So when we zoomed out, we can see that we're clearly in an uptrend, but there's a lot of FUD going on in the market. Now, it's hard to not get caught up in this, but when we go over, we can simply see that there's not enough likes on this video, but we have a lot of FUD surrounding Doge, surrounding the American dollar. And if we go over to Twitter, I mean, there's just dogs everywhere, right? How is the coffee in Australia? Jake says, I'm going to have to share the whole story about how the Sphinx was born. Are you sure, Jake? Are you sure Brooke wants you to do that? Because we got to be very, very in the Discord. We'll have to have story time. We'll create a story time area in the Discord. TRD Farmer asks, how is the coffee in Australia? And surprisingly, he will die if he does. The coffee in Australia is actually so delicious. They actually do make really good coffee. Now, the one thing they don't do well here is chocolate, because in Australia, it's so damn hot that they have to put some sort of additive into the chocolate in order to keep it from melting. True story. So the chocolate, even if it is your branded chocolate, like Hershey's or whatever, Aero Bar. I don't even think they have Aero Bar. But it's definitely, it has a twang to it because it has that preservative so it doesn't melt. Very weird. Coffee here is actually really good. They take a lot of pride in their coffee. And I haven't been to Melbourne, but they say Melbourne has the best coffee. I heard there's actual photographic proof. Now, friends, we need to be nice to Brooke. Because Brooke's going to lay down the law. She's got a wrench, okay? Tim Tams are all right. Tim Tams are all right. Yep. Tim Tams are a good cookie. They're a very dunkable cookie. Chocolate covered biscuit. Very, very good. So make sure to come to Australia. Try out some beautiful Tim Tams. They are yummy. They are yummy. So what trade setups do we have here? Let's look. Okay, so yesterday, before going to bed, I noticed this downtrend. We do have this area that we were looking for a reaction. Let's get rid of this for now. I think it's a bit too early to say that's a top. We're definitely wanting to look around here and find some areas of confluence. Now, this is definitely our kill zone where we want to be looking for. My Nana always brings them back. Yeah, that's the one. The Tim Tams are delicious. The Tim Tam Slam from a girl in Saskatoon. That sounds like it's in the Australian Karma Sutra. Is the Tim Tam Slam. TRD Farmer, are you holding out on the Otter Gang not telling us about the Tim Tam Slam? The Tim Slam. The Tim Slam. There is no hobnobs. Hobnobs are the soldiers of biscuits. Hobnobs are delicious. You can dunk those things about 500 times and they're still strong. In the UK. So we want to be careful of anybody in Saskatoon saying that they're going to give us a Tim Tam Slam. Cautionary. So we do have this volume node up top. You nibble the opposite corners, then use it like a straw. Wow. You guys have some creative ideas. You guys are legends. I love it. Okay, so we have this area above us that we need to get that in order to break through, we need to get above this 29, but you can see that the clear level of resistance is here. That's touching multiple wicks. So we want to definitely keep this on our charts and prepare for a reaction in price here. I'm going to get rid of this one because it's irrelevant right now. It's not irrelevant, but it might definitely pop up higher, but we want to prepare at this level at 28.6 to 28.8 area. So we'll put it at the top of the zone. We want to watch this downtrend. We want to see price continue its way down and possibly get rejected. Now, we want to see multiple confluences. And what the confluences we were talking about yesterday is we wanted to see the dollar pump and the dollar is dumping. Okay, so what happened yesterday is the dollar was up here and we're like, oh, look, it's actually working its way back into this range up here and possibly could be bearish for Bitcoin. Well, that has changed recently and we have had a little bit of a dump and we are putting in a little bit of a range here. So we'll look for the dollar to stay bullish here. And if people are holding on to their dollars, they're not putting it into risk assets. Okay, this can be very, very much influenced by what's going on with the American dollar right now and the threat of all these people not using it for trade. Okay, we want to keep an eye on this in order to see what's going on with the markets. Now with the S&P yesterday, look, we had this arrow and we're like, okay, it should continue to pump because on Sunday nights we always look at the ES mini futures and it was pumping yesterday and it was giving us an idea that we would definitely get a pump on the S&P here, which sometimes can translate into Bitcoin and give us an early signal of which way it's going to move come Monday morning. And look, this has pumped, and over at Bitcoin we kind of came down, but we're starting to work our way back up. So right now it's looking like we're going to attempt this trend line and possibly come up to this 28.8 area. When we zoom in here, we can see, okay, so we've worked our way down. We're definitely looking to attempt back up. We have this small downtrend. We're looking to get above this high right now. Be looking for a continuation in this pattern. And we can definitely see that it's probably 786ing here. Yep, 786 wick and continuing to the downside. Just took the Bing X sign up bonus and went 5x long on Doge and Shiba, $50 each. Very nice, very nice. I believe that Frankie Candles has a sign up bonus. If you're interested in it, go over there. I believe it's in his announcements and you can get that over at Frankie Candles. That's a good bonus. I don't use Bing X, so I'm not going to say, oh, this is financial advice, but Sign-up bonus is a sign-up bonus, and a bonus is a bonus is a bonus. So who doesn't like a good bonus, right? So you can go over there. Frankie is a friend of this channel. Very, very good man, in my opinion, and has some good TA, and we love them over there. We love them. I'm going to clean up these charts, get you guys some more ideas on what's coming up. I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to get rid of this. Let's look for a fib. Yeah, okay. Nice bounce area. Obviously, we need to crack that. That's why we're bouncing here. You can see the fib, golden pocket here of the range retracement. So we have failed to get through it once, to get it twice. Maybe we take another attempt here. If we do break this area, look for more downside to the bottom of the range. So this will be the area that's holding us up, as you can simply see. So we're going to draw a box here, just simply, and note that we have to get below here in order to continue to the downside. That's going to be our make or break zone. Okay, not looking for necessarily a reaction in price to bounce off of this, but looking for it to continue through here in order to get a reaction at the lows. Okay, that's something I'll definitely be looking for, is a reaction to the lows. Doge and Shiba. Are we gonna Dogecoin it? I don't think I would Dogecoin it. I'm not sure about these meme coins, man. Not sure. Do you guys like meme coins? Otter Gang, do you guys like meme coins? Let me know in the chat. This is wild, man. Is this what we come here for? Is for dog coins? Poof. Holy smokes. Just long the Doge. Long the Doge. Not financial advice. Holy smokes, Batman. Jeez. The Dogecoin is for real. The Dogecoin is no, it's no Doge. It's no Doge. Elon just changed the Twitter logo to Doge. Did he? No way. What are you talking? He did? Elon just changed the Twitter to Doge. You could see it. The logo is Doge. Oh, man. Everybody's talking about this dog. The Doge father is back, my friends. Oh, my God. Doge takes over Twitter. First they ignore you, then they laugh at you, and then they like you, then you win. And by the way, look at this meme. I think it's in Frankie Candle's Discord if we go over here. My good old man, Dave Digital, the new sheriff, Alex O'Crypto, is in town. Make sure to come and check it out. Thank you so much, Dave. I appreciate you so much, my man. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So, if you are into a little bit of degening, if you are a bit of degen trading, you got the Doge here. Maybe throw a couple bucks on it. Pay yourselves early. Not financial advice, but I would definitely be watching because Doge has taken over Twitter. So with Bitcoin, Bitcoin dominance is probably down because of Doge right now. No, not completely. Okay, so with Bitcoin dominance, it does remain above the huge. Oh, look, it is down because of Doge. It does remain above this key level at 47%. Okay, 47 to me is where Bitcoin is leading the way most of the time. Due to the past. So we're looking for this to come out in order to see alts pump, okay? So we're very much watching this throughout the days because we've seen Bitcoin skyrocket ever since these bank runs. We've kind of consolidated sideways and it's been very dominant, but we're looking for it to come back in so that we can see alts pump, okay? That's why we're looking at the dominance in order to see money come out. And what we're waiting for really is, I believe, we're waiting for the Ethereum unstaking, baby. This is the unstaking blue line, and we're looking for this to happen. And this is April 12th. I believe it's 6:30 CST, CMT. Which one is it? Look up what time it is for you guys for the launch, but it is on the 12th of April. So Ethereum could possibly moon off of this new news that's coming out on the 12th, the unstaking event. So we are in a flag right now. This is looking very bullish, and maybe Ethereum leads the way. So something to definitely keep an eye on for these upcoming days. They will price this in, and Elon just tweeted moon time. So very, very moonish on Doji. We're just here for the Doge, aren't we? The Doge today. And we can go over, is Shiba having the same kind of reaction? Oh, we had a Shiba setup the other day. I mean, forget about it now. Sheeb to the moon as well. My God. The dog coin is back in town. He tweeted, and then I said moon time. Did you catch the trade early, Dave? That's awesome. I'm happy if you're making profits and you're paying yourselves early, practicing good risk management. You can trade a dog coin. You can trade whatever coin you want. I think it's awesome that you're making profits off of. If you can be like, hey, Mom, guess what? Today, I put some money onto a dog meme coin, and I made X amount of dollars. Isn't that awesome? And she'd be like, what? And then you send her a check. Come on. It's all good, right? It's all good. No matter what. So, with the long-term outlook on Bitcoin, yes, we are getting this bearish div on the 2-day. We have a red dot confirmation. We have some levels here. We're looking for the price to come below this 27.5, okay? It needs to get below here, and then we're looking for a reaction at the bottom of the range. We are also looking for attempt to swing high failure up at 28.8 in order to bring us down. So these are the way we're looking to trade this range. Let's treat this as a range, but there are trades to be had in the middle of the range. Make sure to pay yourselves early. Practice good risk management. Our key levels above are obviously the 29K, but we do have this massive, massive level at $25,000 that has held us down in the past. So we want to stay above the 25.2 if we do retrace. Right, look for this to be a key level to hold us within this range up top here. But we are attempting to get to higher prices. So be very, very cautious right now. It is the beginning of the week. We are going to spin the order in order of which way we think price is going to go. And today I think we're going to attempt to attack the tops. Now, we might not see such an attack because everybody's over at the Dogecoin. But let's be very, very careful here. The otter is pointing up. It's going to have some sort of swing failure pattern, in my idea, to the upside. We'll have to be patient. We'll have to wait to see what will happen here. Can we break out of this downtrend and continue to the upside? This is something we'll be watching right now. We can see we've had a little bit of a downtrend. Can we get above and flip this? Okay. So we're looking for something like that to continue upwards. We're looking to break these recent highs, but we're also being very careful to watch Bitcoin because we're obviously not going to have as much volume on the corn when we have all the volume on the dog coin. Okay, so be very, very careful. You can see very wicky, very difficult to trade. Look to get stopped out if you're trading this Dogecoin. I would not suggest to trade this because it's going to wick you out. Okay, it's going to wick you out. Yes, the initial move has happened, 38%. Can it go higher? Absolutely. Paper Planes in the chat. What's up, my man? He's throwing up the candles. Candle Mafia coming to say hello. Hope you're doing well, my man. Doge to the moon. Doji, doji, doji. Holy smokes, Batman. I mean, I almost want to trade this, but like, how? Paper Planes knows how to trade stuff like this, don't you, Paper? You on it. We've gotten a beautiful bearish divergence right now. But you can't trade the bearish divergence on this 5 minute. It's just asking to get you, and then it's gonna pump on you. Too late, AM in. Too late, I'm in. Oh God, Space Invaders in. Well, we'll pump music for you. Are you short or are you long? Now, we had this problem last time where my nose kept running because it's early in the morning. I'm a bit stuffed up. Alex O. Sniffles. Doge to the moon. We could just 1 minute. We could just 1 minute candle this thing. Whew. Check the winner's wall. Uh-oh. Oh, man. You said degen mode. Yes. Yes. Let's go. Waking up Mrs. Otter with the 420 bong percentage. Wow. This is my community now. He's puckered up. He's trading the Doge. Jeez. Long stop loss at entry. 50x on the Doji coin. Oh my God. I'm wishing you luck, my friend. I'm wishing you luck. I'm wishing you luck. You've got this. You've got this. That's great. That's great. Remember to practice good risk management, especially if you're trading dog coin. Oh my God. You guys are awesome. You guys. I mean, that takes a lot of stones. You got some good stones going on there. Space Invader, top notch traded. The stones on you are solid, my friend. You're a legend. So yesterday night we were checking the CME gap. We came up and we filled it, and that's a lot. We were like, oh, why are we getting this wild pump last night? And there was a CME gap that we did catch last minute in order to build confluence. So it came back up. Now we're looking for it to continue to the downside, okay? But we are flagging down, checking the CME right now. In the Doge madness, I mean, I almost want to trade the Doge on you as well, but I don't know if I can bring myself to trade Doge. That is crazy. I love it, man. 422% like a boss. PP210. Are you on Doge on Bing X? Yeah, make sure to check out that. There's a good promotion over at Frank's. Make sure to be checking that. Doge to the moon, man. Elon has broken Twitter again. He's got the Doge up. Breaking Bitcoin news. That's an old photo, guys. Look at this. Oh, man. Oh, man. The logo has changed. We are now the Dogecoin father. I am so ready to trade this. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. We're going to Doge. I'm doing it. Don't do it, they say. Don't do it. Don't do it. I might have done it. I might have done it. I might have done it. Don't do it. Oh, man. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. 422%. We're going to put on the pump music for everyone because we got the pump music. It's not working. It's not working. Oh, man, you guys kill me. I love this community. You guys make my day. I'm going to go to work and people are going to be like, what are you talking about? This dog coin shit. We're going to pump it. We like to pump it, pump it. We like to pump it, pump it. I don't know if I'll get copywritten. I don't really mind. We're just trying to have fun here in the community. Don't wake Mrs. Otter. It's a sign. We're going to wake Mrs. Otter because we're trying to pump the Doge. She'll understand. When we fill up the bags, Mrs. Otter will have to understand. I mean, this looks pretty bearish to me. Maybe we should have shorted the Doge. Hope you're all doing well. We're live streaming. It's 5 a.m. in the morning, guys. Make sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're out here trying to trade the dog coin. We'll see what happens. Doesn't look too good for us here. We might get stopped out. We might get stopped out. But we might pump. We might pump. So, right now, it's not looking too good for us. We're hoping we get a pump on the dog coin. We're in at 101. 101. oof. We're not in a good spot here. This is here. We're not in a good spot here. I don't know why we did this. This is not suggested, okay? This is not suggested. This is for entertainment purposes only, okay? This is not suggested. We out here. Darren does thing. What's up, Darren? Hope you're well. We're in the worst Doge trade of our lives. Right now I'm down. I am down 28%. Oh, look, it's coming back. It's coming back. It's coming back. Let's go, Doge. Doge to the moon. Doge to the moon. No, it's dropping again. Oh my God, this is hilarious. Check out XCAD. Okay, let's check out XCAD. What is XCAD? What do you got for me here? Well, XCAD looks very interesting. Very much a downtrend on XCAD. We're in the worst Doge trade of our lives. I wish I was in the worst BTC scalp long earlier. Managed to cut losses at entry, then we had a small pump over last hour. Also epic fail. The one word for that trade is heartburn. We're coming back up, guys. We're coming back up. Oh my God, look at this. I'm up. No. It's going back down. To the moon. Let's go. Let's go. We'll target the highs, okay? We'll target the highs. We are currently only down 19% right now. Our entry is horrible. We're on 50x leverage, by the way, because we degened like that. Oh, man. We're coming down again. This is how we manage your emotions. If you want to practice good mindset and take a little bit of money and watch how... Not on Bybit. Okay. If you want to learn how to manage your emotions, trade Dogecoin right now and get in a bad position. Okay? We are currently in a Doge trade. We're going to look at XCAD again, not on Bybit. So we'll look here. On KuCoin. Okay. Looks like it's falling. We're oh. We might be in profits. Oh. Let's go. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go. This is so ridiculous. This is not normally how the live streams go. This is we're in profits. We're in profits. No, we're not. No, we're not. No, we're going down. Bounce off the VWAP. VWAP's underneath. push us up. Let's go. Let's go, Elon. Looking at XCAD for my friend in the chat. Sorry about this. Sorry, everybody, if you're not enjoying the live stream. But what we're trying to do here is we're trying to practice good mindset, okay? With XCAD, hey, we looked at this like back in the day. Key level of support here. It is trying to hold, looking for a bounce up. Oh no, that's not good. That's not good. Mr. Doge. When in profits and uncertain to take a small portion of profit, if you're negative again, put those profits back into your lower entry. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. You can see this is a key level all the way across the board. So for your XCAD, you've worked your way up. You've worked very hard to get above this area. Look for it to continue. Look for this to hold. If not, you're coming back down into this range. So very much mixed signals here with XCAD, but I'd be looking for this to hold and possibly fire off along. Look for a swing failure pattern. Look for a bear or a bullish divergence, some sort of confirmation in order to help you justify jumping into a trade and confluence. You can see though with this, it is very, very John Wicky, so we got to be very careful. You can see massive wicks to the downside, looking to liquidate. So if you are going to trade this, I'd definitely be looking to have quite a forgiving stop loss for a longer trade, right? But obviously there is a lot to be gained if you're willing to trade something like this. Okay, so look for rejection somewhere where we're at right now, right? But be careful because obviously there's massive wicks in this one. So be very careful. Oh, we're coming back up. I got to get ready for work soon, man. This Doge trade is probably not a good idea. Probably not a good idea. We're down minus 4% right now. Oh, can we get into profits? Can we get into profits? That is the question. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go. We're in profits. Oh, we're up. We're up. Let's go. Pump it. Let's go. Let's go. Pump it. Pump it. Let's go. To the moon. Let's go, dog coin. Let's go. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Oh my God, this is too much fun. Never have I ever barked at a dog coin, okay? So I'm just going to go over our thoughts. I'm going to exit my Doge. No, I'm not going to exit it. I'm not going to exit it. I'm going to go over Bitcoin one more time. As Doge pumps to the moon, we seem to be curling over on the BTC. Whew. 1 minute. The 1 minute chart on the BTC. But let's zoom out. We're in a downtrend right now. We've pumped up on the Sunday evening. We've come down. We've made lower highs. We look to continue. Look for this area below us here at 27,650 to hold us up, okay? We are looking for a reaction. We're all looking for Dogecoin to pump right now, but we're also looking for a reaction down at these lows for Bitcoin, okay? If we want to practice some good risk management and be very careful because we are in some sort of a flag here to the downside that could possibly shoot us up. We are looking for a reaction at this 28.8 area, okay? With this 28.8 area, we're looking for an attempt and then some sort of bearish divergence to bring us down. To continue to the downside, we're definitely looking to break this 26.5 low, okay? We have yet to attempt it all the way since the end of March at the 28th here, okay? So this hasn't been tested in quite some bit, and there's definitely long liquidations to get here. So if they were to swing up like this, that would be more market maker if we are looking for this. So be very cautious of this 26.5. If we do break it to the downside, we do have key support at 25.2 and this little stop at 25.7. I will add these charts to the Discord. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Pump the Doge. It's dumping again. We don't know which way the Doge is going to go. Maybe we should have just gotten out of our trade, but we were having fun. So I'd never, ever suggest not having a good time and some fun with your fellow friends. So look at the dollar. Dollar is dumping, which is bullish for Bitcoin. The S&P has definitely done its thing. It's come up. It's attempted higher. Look for a rejection at 41.77. This is a key level of resistance throughout price action. So we're looking for this to hold at this 41.77 and possibly reject us down, which will be bearish for Bitcoin. So we want to watch all these things. But right now, the tall tale is definitely the Dogecoin. So hopefully after that trade, you're going to work looking and hungover. Absolutely. Hey, we could be going to the moon, or we could be going to work very upset. But at the end of the day, we're here for the Otter Gang. Join us in the free Discord. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. I mean, we out here. We out here having fun. I hope you guys enjoyed today's live stream. We'll be here early every single weekday trying to get you guys the goods, okay? So don't forget to smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Join us in the free Discord. And let's pump Doge to the moon, okay? Doge to the moon for the Elon trade. God bless every single one of you. Hope you're all doing well. I love you guys. Take it easy. And I'm going to go and drink some coffee and get ready for work. So peace out. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for being here. Bye. Yeah, Mrs. Otter. Yeah, I'm trading. You know, the dog. You know the cute Shiba thing. You know, the Doge. Yeah, Elon's dog. Yeah, we're down like 30%, but we're gonna trade the dog. Okay, Mrs. Otter. We gotta pump it. We gotta pump it for Elon.